Hi guys, welcome to Boldilocks Does Marketing. On this channel I'm hoping to share all of my marketing knowledge that I've gathered over the past 7 to 8 years and hopefully that will help you to build your business from the ground up. If you're struggling, if you're a company that's just starting out, or if you're someone who's a little bit more seasoned, hopefully there'll be something there for everybody. I'm hoping to make quite a number of different courses on the channel and potentially invite a couple of people to come on and talk about different parts of the marketing journey in terms of the way that they've built their own businesses up as well. Anyway, rather than waffle on, if you think that this is going to be useful to you, please feel free to give me a like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I will be more than happy to take you through absolutely everything. Also, if there is a specific area of marketing you'd like me to go into with you, I'm more than happy to help. Just let me know in the comments section and I will try my very best to get back to everyone. Anyway, you have a lovely day, thank you for joining me, and who knows, let's explore the universe together.